Today we're doing the rain weather. This lag is the dumbest shit ever. Y'all also why I'm not using my real voice this video. It was actually the worst shit ever and I'm not joking.
God.
That's why. This dumb lag. I'll turn on an old video of mine for you all to watch because this dumb lag is pissing me off like no jokes.
I'm hungry. Okay, we'll make you something. Just wait. Hold on. What is this? Hot dogs? I'm wanting pizza. We're not going to be door dashing pizza for you. You're going to eat my hot dogs. No, you can just have it. Okay, I guess. The leftovers. Big ends. I'll just put it in the fridge. Oh no, this damn fork. Damn fork. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my god. Should break this. Yeah. Whee! It's
That's the
later.
video. Let's buy the pet. Now I said now fucking now before I. Now editing it I don't know why I took so because the lag. Bitch WTF.
When you arrive at devastation, there's a simple.
Oh my gosh. We haven't checked the fridge yet.
I forgot to record me buying the parrot hoodie.
It's to say, if you didn't know yet, I'm Buttercup and I'm an emotional support stuffy. If you don't understand the meaning, yeah, I'm just like about to like get in the fridge because I'm hungry, and we're just gonna what is that? What is this? What is this? Rocky, what the freak is this? I don't freaking why does it has a hot dog grease? Wait.
Bye y'all.